Studies. Attention. Leaders suburban and check up your lines. Leaders suburban. All the class leaders give a class report.
Hi everyone, I am Sharon. A golden morning to you all. We are the students of 7th grade standing in front of you to perform our morning assembly. I humbly request everyone to cooperate with us for making this assembly successful. I am pleasant morning to you all. To take blessings from the God, I called my friends to say the prayers.
Among women, blessed is the fruit of your dishes. Holy Mary, Mother of God, prepare us sinners, now.
Thank you my friends. Now I would like to invite my friend Junaid to deliver a welcome speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Every morning brings hope, light and endless opportunities. Remember how you start your day. So wake up early, smile and set goals for your day. Let's make today productive, positive and powerful. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you my friend. Now I invite my friends to say the holy readings Bible, Bhagavad Gita and Quran.
Taken from the Holy Book of Bible. God give power to the weak and strength to the powerless. A reading taken from the Holy Book of Bhagavad Gita. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Saraswati Namastutyam Parave Kamarupini Vidyarambam Parishyami Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sada Padma Patra Vishalakshi Padma Kesaravardhine Nityam Padma Laya Devi Samam Patu Saraswati.
Good morning to all. The reading taken from the Holy Book of Quran. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa barik wa sallam. Thank you.
Thank you my friends. Flag is the symbol of our victory from the slavery and its duty and responsibility to let the flag always be hoisted. Now I invite our class leader Ayan to hoist our national flag and Rajkumar to lead us towards the pledge.
All the classes attention. Flag salute.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of history and very heritage. I shall always try to be. Thank you, Ayan and Rajkumar. Now I invite my friend Sharon to hoist our school flag.
Flag salute. Order.
Now I invite my friends to perform a wonderful skit on the topic of Marie Curie, a radiant life.
A young Polish woman named Marie Sklodowska excitedly registered for the science course Sorbonne to Paris. Too shy to make friends, she lived a life of monastic simplicity, devoted to study alone.
Mary met Marie Curie in 1894. A French scientist like genius, Marie, like her, was devoted body and soul to scientific research.
With sympathy brought them together, and in a few months, Perry asked Mary to be his wife.
Will you marry me? I want some time.
After Mary rejected the proposal of Perry, Perry again went and asked Mary, "Please accept my proposal." Then Mary said,
Please accept my proposal. Let me marry.
Little by little, Mary improved her housekeeping system. She invited the guests could be left before going out.
When we had acted Iran in future, nevertheless when her husband, idea of choosing between family and society's care did not even Mary's made with supersport. Also she got baby, but she also kept working towards most important discovery of motivational fields. Two brains, four hands measured the environment, dumped a little store. They surveyed a laboratory by July 1890. They were able to announce a discovery, a new element, Mary named Polar or Billy Polar. Yes, finally success a discovery in the name of polonium.
Money for research is not easy to come by a curious income to teach the supplement incomes. They do their own works and jobs. They even forgot to eat and sleep. They finally achieved the radium. Radium is the ally of women that fight against the cancer.
Yes, we succeed radium.
"A few months, Perry had died in an accident. Then Mary had resumed the course at the precise sentence where Perry had left it. Rose tears to the eyes and rolled down their faces there.
Mary continued her work with passion and dedication. On Friday, 6th July 1934, the rod was stopped with a note. Mary was during beside in Perry. In the cemetery at Sykes, present family, friends, co-workers and students who loved her. Thank you.
నాటకము ద్వారా మీకు తెలియజేయడమనగా మనం ఏదైనా సాధించాలని అనుకుంటే పట్టుదల మరియు ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం ఉంటే ఎప్పటికైనా గెలుపు మన వెనకాలే ఉంటుంది అని తెలుపుతూ ఇట్లు 7వ తరగతి విద్యార్థి.
Now I would like to invite my friends to debate about the human body respiratory system.
Human excretory system. Human excretory system contains a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra, etc. Now we will start from kidneys. Each kidney is internally divided into two parts: an outer ductal cortex and inner lighter medulla. A small funnel-shaped cavity at the concave the side of the kidney is called renal pelvis. This is the point where kidney opens into tubes called ureters.
Ureters. These are a pair of two structures that can order from the two kidneys urine transport to urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a muscular bladder structure located below the ureters in the lower abdomen. It stores urine temporarily and expels it later through a short tube called the urethra. Urethra. Urethra is a muscular tube that arises from the lower end of the urinary bladder. Sphincter muscles that are present at the opening of the urinary bladder regulates the flow of urine. These muscles relax to release the urine out of the body. The process of expulsion of urine from the body is called urination or micturition. Common disorders are the common urinary system. Urinary tract infection, UTI and kidney stones are the associated with human excretory system. Kidney failure and kidney disease are the cause due to the kidney functions. Urinary tract infection, UTI, is an infection that affects organs of the urinary system such as bladder, ureters and kidneys. Urinary tract infection occurs more frequently in women than in men.
Kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard minerals that from inside the kidney during filtration of blood. This generally occurs when there is constantly high concentration of mineral wastes such as calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate. Very small stones and parts of ureters. It causes little or no pain. However, a liquor stones block the ureters, obstructing the path of urine. It causes several pain at the duodenum. Such complications require surgery to remove of stones. Insufficient water along with a diet rich in calcium food are the main cause of kidney stones.
The symptoms of kidney stones are pain in the lower back, pain during urination and persistent ability to urine, cloudy smelling and
Kidney failure. Sometimes due to an infection, even illness, one or both of the kidneys to function properly. At this line, function is called kidney failure.
Dialysis. This is a medical procedure in which toxins and excess water is purified from the blood with the help of a machine.
transport. Healthy kidney from the donor is transported into the patient's body. In the surgical procedure, kidney transport can increase the life. Thank you.
Wonderful performance. Now I would like to invite my friends to discuss about Vikram 1, the satellite launch.
Vikram 1 satellite was launched on Saturday 12:05 p.m. Skyroad. 7-story long Vikram 1 rode into space by Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. It was now carrying the lift of 45,000. Also the station of India's fast growing private sector. 80 minutes later, it entered to its orbit 450 kilometers.
The launch came after an anxious set out of the common began at 11:30 of a mission previously aborted because of apparent motivation. Issued delay in lift of about 35 minutes. Once the countdown resumed, Vikram lift of the end and G's from players and engineers and goes together at the launch counter.
Sir C.V. Raman, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam creating a dramatic visual transmitted from space. A minute later, Mission Control declared a grand success as Vikram 1 successfully injected its payloads into a 450 km Earth orbit.
The rocket prepared gyroscope, satellite and Graspers solar capacity into orbit while it's carrying technology demonstration pellets from orbit experiments.
Thank you, my friends. Now we are going to ask some GK questions. Good thoughts will pass to act positively. Now I invite my friends to share their positive thoughts.
Good morning to everyone. Today is a great day to learn something new.
Remember, real stars, if you can dream it, you can do it.
Today thoughts. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Thank you.
Thank you, my friends.
Now I invite my friend Junai to say the word of thanks.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Thanks for cooperating in our morning assembly. I am firstly thankful for great teachers and respected principal for giving this opportunity to perform on stage. Thanks you and have a great day.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, calcium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, vacuum, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, indium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, acetylene, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendeleum, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, rubidium, cesium, borium, osmium, neptunium, Donstatium, Wolfenbarium, Copernicium, Livermorium, Tennessine, Augustin. Hydrogen, Beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, potash, calcium, lithium, iron, cobalt, carbon, arsenic, selenium, bromine, potassium, chlorine, zirconium, ruthenium, palladium, antimony, calcium, barium, selenium, praseodymium, promethium, samarium, gallium, terbium, dysprosium, erbium, thulium, metal, lutetium, neodymium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, acetylene, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, americium, cerium, mercury, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendeleum, rutherfordium, rubidium, cesium, boron, magnesium, carbonation, livermorium, Tennessine, Augustin.
Congratulations. Clap your hands.
Attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे